morning children. This is 10th class social studies. So in 10th class we already completed geography lessons, 5 lessons. Okay, India relief features, ideas of development. Next to sectors, production and employment lesson, climate of India, Indian drainage system. What is that? Indian drainage system. In that Indian drainage system, I said about some rivers. So that all rivers are very important in our country. So that rivers flowing through our country and some rivers joining in Bay of Bengal and some rivers joining, that means draining to Arabian Sea. Okay. Here today I want to explain the map pointing. So map pointing first to paper 1 and for paper 2, very important. Now after my explanation you also take your outline maps and with the help of material and textbook you practice at least 5 maps. Okay, take 5 outline maps and practice. Each map you write down index 20 or 25 locations and you locate in your outline map. Now just I want to say and I want to show you some locations in that Indian map. So we know this is our India. What it is? This is our India. What is the location of India? The location of India is in Asia continent. We know in Asia continent, in northern hemisphere. Okay. Now this is India. So India, look at students. India, this is north. So if it is north, what it is? The direction, this is north. So the opposite to north is south. Okay, this is North India, this is South India. Next one, look at, this is east, this is west. That means this is east, this is west. Okay, so north, south, east, west. Don't confuse students. From here to here, this is North India. From here to here, this is South India. Okay. Now I want to read to you some index. That means locations. Bakra Nangal project. Bakra Nangal project. So where the Bakra Nangal project location? Here look students. So if you, this is Indus River. This is Indus River. It has 5 tributaries. I said already in that lesson. Ravi, Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Sutlej. Okay, so they are the 5 tributaries of Indus River. So Bakra Nangal project location is here. So what is the number here? You write down the number 1 here. That means this is the Bakra Nangal project. Next one is Sutlej, river Sutlej. So here you can find river Sutlej. That means this is second point. Okay, Brahmaputra. What is that river? Brahmaputra. Look students, this is Brahmaputra. Look where I am showing this point. This is Brahmaputra. That means you write down the number what is in index. Third Brahmaputra. So this is Brahmaputra river. Next one, Indus River. I already said this is Indus River. So here you put the index number. What is that Indus River number? 4. So that is Indus River. Next to Tapati. Look boys, Tapati. Girls. I said 4 rivers going westward and drain into Arabian Sea, not Bay of Bengal. So here look at, this is Tapti. This is what? Tapti. What is the number? Tapti river number 5. Okay, Tapti river. Next, Hiware Bazaar. I said in the 5th lesson about Hiware Bazaar. Okay, it was selected and awarded by the central government as Adarsh Grama Yojana. Okay, so where is Hiware Bazaar? In Maharashtra. In Maharashtra. So this is Hiware Bazaar. What is the index number? 6. That is Hiware Bazaar. Hiware Bazaar. Next one, Nagarjuna Sagar project. Nagarjuna Sagar project. Look students, This is Krishna river. This is Krishna river. So this is Nagarjuna Sagar project. What is the number here? 7. Nagarjuna Sagar project. Next to Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast. Where is Coromandel coast? Look at this. This area is called Coromandel coast. This area is called Coromandel coast. So what is the number of the Coromandel coast here? 8 in the index. So you write down 8. Listen. Next to Tungabhadra river. Tungabhadra river. Where is Tungabhadra river? This is the Tungabhadra, the tributary of Krishna river. So here write down the Tungabhadra river number 9. Is 9. Anaimudi peak. Anaimudi peak. In South India it is the highest peak. So this is the Anaimudi peak. So that number is 10. Next one, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. It is passing through our country. It is 23.5 degree north latitude. Okay, north latitude. So this is called Tropic of Cancer. What is the number? 11. So you write down the 11. Tropic of Cancer passing through our country. Okay, from here to here this is all North India. From here to here this is all South India. Tropic of Cancer passing through 8 states in our country. Next listen students, look at this. New Delhi. New Delhi. This is the capital of our India. Look at this one. New Delhi. Give number 12 in the index. Next one. Darjeeling. It is Darjeeling. Where Darjeeling location? Look boys, girls here. This is Darjeeling number 13. Darjeeling number 13. Next one. I repeat once again. Bakra Nangal project. This is the Bakra Nangal project. Okay. Next one, Sutlej. Where is Sutlej? Number 2. Brahmaputra river. This is Brahmaputra river. Indus river. This is Indus river. Tapti river. This is Tapti river. Hiware Bazar. This is Hiware Bazar. Nagarjuna Sagar project upon Krishna river. This is. Next to Coromandel coast. This is Coromandel coast. Tungabhadra river. So this is the tributary of Krishna river. This is the Tungabhadra river. Anaimudi peak, South India highest peak. This is Tropic of Cancer passing through our India. 23.5 degree north latitude. 11. New Delhi, our India capital. Next Darjeeling, someone is short here in West Bengal. Actually this is Sikkim state and this is West Bengal. Yeah. Next one, students listen. What are the islands in Arabian Sea? Look at this is Arabian Sea. What are the islands are there in Arabian Sea? Lakshadweeps. What are they? Lakshadweeps. What are the islands in Bay of Bengal? Bay of Bengal means this is the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Islands are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So what is the southern tip of or south tip of Andaman Nicobar Islands? This is Indira Point. What it is? Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but this island submerged into sea. Okay, in 2004 tsunami, December 24. 2004 tsunami, it was submerged into sea water. So now listen. Next to once again look at the index. Here the 14th one is Aravalli Mountains. Aravalli Mountains are in Rajasthan. So these are the Aravalli Mountains. The number is 14. Aravalli Mountains. Next one, Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. This is Kolkata. West Bengal capital, Kolkata. What is the number? 15. Write down 15. 15. Next one, Thar desert. In Rajasthan, only one desert is there in India. It's located in Rajasthan state. Okay, look here. This is Thar desert. What is the number? 16. 16. Thar desert. Next, Krishna river. I said already. What is the Krishna river? Here, look at from this curve you draw like this. This is Krishna river. What is the number? 17. 17. That is Krishna river. Next, Amaravati. Amaravati was announced by our former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu as our capital of Andhra Pradesh after bifurcation. So where is Amaravati location? Maybe here. This is Krishna river. So here Amaravati we can find. What is the number? 18. 18. Amaravati. Don't confuse children. Don't confuse children. After this, you also practice at least 2-3 maps. Take outline maps and with the help of textbook or material, you practice. Next one, Kerala. Where Kerala? Look at this is Kerala, one of the state. So number is 19. Kerala state. Next one, Indira Point. I already said this is Indira Point. This was submerged into Bay of Bengal in 2004 tsunami. Jammu and Kashmir, one of the state of our country. So this is Jammu, boys, girls. The number is 21. Next one, Mausinram. Mausinram is highly recorded rainfall area. Okay, so here the rainfall recording very highly in India. Mausinram 22. Next one, 23. Patli Dune, Kotli Dune, Dehradun. These are the 3 dunes in Himalayan range. Okay, it is a flat area between Shivalik and Himachal. So we can find the Patli Dune here itself, I think. So once you, what is the number? 23. 23. Next one, Godavari river. So Godavari, look at from this curve you write down. This is Godavari river. This is Godavari. What is the number? 24. Godavari river. What Godavari is the biggest river in South India. The second biggest river is Krishna river. Okay. Krishna river tributary is Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra dam was constructed here. I said in the lesson about Tungabhadra dam. Next one, Tapti river. So Sahyadri range. Sahyadri range. Look students, this is Sahyadri range. This is Sahyadri range. 25. Next one, this is Narmada river. It is Narmada. So now students, just I explained only 25 locations in this map. Apart from this, many points are there. Okay, once again look this. I drawn another longitude. So this longitude is called 82.5 degree east longitude. It is our Indian IST, Indian Standard Meridian Time, IST. So we took this 82.5 degree east longitude is our IST. Okay, this IST from Greenwich longitude, the time difference is 5.5 hours ahead. 5.5 hours ahead. So the Greenwich longitude is passing through London. From London to this 82.5 degree east longitude in our country, what is the time difference? 5.5 hours ahead. For example, in London, if the time is 12 p.m., in our country, the time 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. evening. That means you will add 5.5 hours. So that is Indian Standard Meridian. It is 82.5 degree east longitude. Next, this is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude passing through our country. So this is main latitude, this is main longitude passing through our country. Actually, through our country, 30 longitudes are passing, 30 latitudes are passing. 30 longitudes and 30 latitudes are passing. Now listen students, apart from these points, you verify from 1 to 5th lessons what are the remaining map pointings. Okay, you write down in your rough notebook and take one outline map and you practice with the help of material or textbook. Okay children, thank you.